There you are. Blends in.
Do a little quick video on it. Get you when you leave.
Yeah.
So yeah, GM sent this thing out and had it built.
Oh, I know they did, but who?
Yeah. Don't know who built
I'd
it.
love to know who did it.
EX in the VIN number means experimental.
Yeah.
But yeah, like you said, I mean, the paint and body on this thing is just perfect.
Yeah.
It wasn't like a regular truck.
It was the Sema Show Truck.
Right.
Had to be.
Yeah, had to be. Custom one-off wheels. It's actually got drums on the back, but it's got special brakes on the front.
It's got drums on the back, but Jared, you would not believe how good the brakes
Oh yeah,
are
it stops good.
It's got 6 piston and big
Six
ones.
piston, yeah.
But the back ones are huge, but I don't know. I'm kind of surprised it didn't have 4-wheel discs.
2004. So.
And a white drive shaft. Now Porter had to tell me why I had a white drive shaft. All NASCAR race vehicles about the road have to have a white drive shaft.
A white drive shaft. So somehow this thing ended up here locally. It's got a roll bar in it.
Yeah.
And then of course the non-sellable thing. Fire extinguisher, racing harnesses. That is very, very nice. Cool.
Going to the dash on it.
Oh wow. Sure is. A SEMA show vehicle in the mid-2000s. Very, very nice.